Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Certainly, the apartment I'm at today, the Ashton in Dallas, qualifies as one of the best. This is one of my favorite apartments, really, of all time. It's been around, it's an Uptown Dallas mainstay. It's been around for quite a while. It's an incredibly well-built building, and it was modern when it was built, and it still retains a very modern, beautiful high-rise feel. This is located in directly in the Uptown area. It's a fantastic apartment. It's definitely something for you to consider strongly, and I can't say enough good things about it. What I'm about to do is just refresh my content. I'm gonna walk in and take some new content with my beautiful new camera and give you a great feel of what life is like here. We'll probably see a lot of the same things, but we're gonna see some new things too, and it's gonna be on a better camera. So this is the start of the tour. We're gonna have probably about 12 to 15 videos, and I look forward to giving you just some wonderful, well-filmed, beautiful insights on what life is like at the Ashton. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text, and then we'll chat, and happy to set up virtual or live in-person tours at any time.